How to record 4K videos in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open camera app and then click on video, and on top you can see the video resolution. It will be 720 by 30, and if you want to record 4K then simply click on 720, then it will convert to HD, and then again click on HD, it will convert to 4K. And the latest version will be updated to 30 to 60, 24, 30 and 60, and you can record your video to 4K. And then go back and open photos library, and then open a video, and then here you can see our video record in 4K. So this is the way to record 4K video. And then open settings and open camera and click on record video. Here you can select 4K, any 4K option. So this is the way to record 4K videos in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.